Hello, I'm Pete Dryden and I'm going to show you how to cook butternut squash in a saucepan. Things you will need: butternut squash, salt, garlic powder, a saucepan, a cutting board, and a knife. The first step is to rinse the squash with warm water and place it onto a cutting board. Next, cut off the ends and slice the squash in half. Scoop out the seeds and pulp with a spoon. Then cut the halves into smaller chunks. Peel the skin off each half. Next, fill a saucepan about halfway with water and place it on a burner. Allow the water to boil, then place the squash into the pan. Reduce the heat to medium and let cook for around 15 to 20 minutes. When the squash is tender, remove from the heat and drain. Season with the desired amount of salt and garlic powder and serve. And that is how you cook butternut squash in a saucepan.